Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at the cleanest way to arrange multiple images on a single PowerPoint slide. We will ensure all images have perfect proportions and alignment. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures and choose this device. Hold down the Control key, select the images you want to use and click Insert. By default, the images will overlap and might be different sizes. Zoom out slightly so you have room to work and drag the images off to the side of your main slide. To make everything look uniform, we need to match their aspect ratios. Select an image, go to the Picture Format tab, click the arrow under Crop, and select Aspect Ratio. Choose the 16:9 option. Click anywhere outside the image to apply it. Repeat this quick crop for each of your images. Once they all share the same aspect ratio, we will make their exact dimensions match. Select an image and in the Picture Format tab, set the height to a specific number, like 3.6 inches. The width will automatically adjust. Apply this exact height to all your images so they are completely identical. Now, arrange them on your slide into a clean grid. The PowerPoint Smart Guides will help you snap them into perfect alignment with each other. Press Ctrl A to select all the images. Right-click and choose Group. With the images grouped together, hold the Shift key and drag the corner. This resizes the entire block proportionally, so it fits perfectly onto your slide. Finally, right-click the block, select Group, and then Ungroup. You now have a perfectly aligned professional image grid. Subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical solutions.